to Merrick Bank Common Services. Si desea instrucciones en español, oprima 2. Please enter your 16-digit account number now. If you don't know your account number, please press 0 now. Please hold while your call is being transferred. For quality assurance, your call may be monitored and/or recorded. Please stay on the line to speak with the next available customer care associate. The expected wait time for your call is less than 1 minute. You have reached the card service. Hi, thank you for calling Merrick Bank. My name is... May I have your account number, please?
It's 42
Thank you. May I have your name, please?
Allen.
Thank you. Hello, Mr. For the security of your account, may I please have your date of birth? Thank you. As well, for the security of your account, may I please have the last 4 digits of your social security number? Thank you for your verification. How may I assist you today?
I was on the 18th. I missed the payment. I thought I had logged on before that and set up a payment to come out, but it didn't go through or something. But anyway, I noticed that there was a late fee on the account. I was wondering if you could waive that for me, please.
No problem. Let me see here. You qualify for a fee waiver. We've got your last statement. Okay. Alright, let's see. Alright, and I should be able to waive that for you as a one-time courtesy. One moment, I'm just looking through a few things. Alright, and yes, sir, I was able to waive that for you today as a one-time courtesy. You should show that $27 crediting back to your account within the next 2 to 3 business days.
Alright, great. I appreciate it. I guess that was it.
Okay. Alright, and if that's all the questions that I can answer for you, if you have anything else, we're open 24 hours. Feel free to give us a call in. And it looks like there's one thing that I need to update. I do see that you're calling from a number that's not listed to the account. Do you authorize us to add this to the account and contact you at this number in the future?
Yeah, take the other number off because that number no longer exists. The 1663.
That's down as the work number.
Yeah, I don't have that number anymore. I switched to this one.
Okay. Alright, so let me just delete that. And are we adding this number down? Is this the work number or the cell number for you?
Work number.
Okay. And that is... Do you authorize us to contact you at this number in the future?
Yes,
All right. And thank you for allowing me to update your account today, Mr. And again, if that was all that I could do for you, if you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call back. Thank you for calling, Merrick. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day.
I'll try. You too. Thanks.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, here was where I was assessed the late fee. If you notice, interest is a large amount of the payment. Anyway, if I go back to the current statement, I'm still getting over the cold, so pardon my voice. Anyway, here's where they waived the fee. I've never actually had them not waive a fee, although I'm typically not late, which is kind of hard to prove considering I've been late twice, one on 2 different cards since I started trying to make these videos. So I'm gonna have to plead insanity or something. But anyway, just wanted to follow up this section and show that they did actually waive that fee. My minimum payment due has now been changed back to the $42. So I'm going to change the setup payment. If I don't remember if I set one up or not, but I'm going to either set one up because it's due 12/18 and today's the 13th, so I don't want to forget it. I'm going to set up the minimum payment due. On the due date. And let me make sure there's not another one set up already. I did, at the first of the month, go through all the accounts and schedule their payments to come out on the day they were due. I think that's easier than okay, I don't have a pending payment, so we're good. I'm going to start scheduling everything on the first day of the month. That way, if I forget to pay it, at least it still comes out. You just have to make sure the money's there, whether you forget or not. I'll do a little more of a video on that, I guess, in a later date. Anyway,